Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your host Meenakshi again. Today's video is about lifestyle, as I have already informed you earlier that I'll be making all kinds of videos, and today it is about lifestyle. Actually, we have been traveling a lot since last 4 to 5 years, and now since we are back home in Assam and moved into a apartment. It is around 2000 square feet apartment, and we are doing a little small changes to make our home feel cozy again, because it was being empty since last almost 4 years. So since we have moved in, we are doing small changes to make it a little more cozy. So today I'll be showing you a washroom, a bathroom which was not in use for a lot of time. So I've decided to use that right now, and I have made some small changes to look more beautiful and cozy. So there are a few tips. I hope it will be helpful for you guys. So first of all, I'll be showing you how it was, and later on how it turned out to be. So let's have a look. There's a cubicle here. There's a bath cubicle. There's a shower. We have not been using this washroom since a long time. It is unused for a long time. So basically I'll be rearranging the washroom. There's a window here. It's not a very well lit bathroom. And we have a light there, and there's a big mirror here. It's a wash basin. There are some glass shelves. Maybe I'll be using for some toiletries and some plants. And there's a towel hanger. It's not a big washroom. It's a medium size. It's not a small one also. So I'll do a little bit of makeover. So let's see how it turns out after the makeover. I have prepared 3 plants to arrange in my washroom, because I really love plants. And as you can see, this is the pothos, or the money plant, which is an evergreen plant. It grows in water well. I've kept some colorful stones. So this is one plant which I am going to arrange in my washroom. And the second plant is the mother-in-law's tongue, or the snake plant. Well, this pothos grows very well in humid and less light, I can say. It doesn't need too much of light. It grows well in a humid place, and it does well in a low light area. So since our washroom is not very well lit, I'm taking this plant to arrange there. So the next plant is the mother-in-law plant, or the snake plant. This again is a very strong plant. It doesn't need to be watered regularly, or it doesn't need too much of light. It grows well in low light areas like the washroom. So I'll be keeping this plant there. And the third plant is an orchid plant. As we all know, orchids grow well in low light areas and also in humid areas. So this is an orchid plant which I'll be arranging there. This is a real orchid plant, but this flower is not real. It is an artificial flower. So I've just put it here like this. just to give it a more flowery look since it's not blooming right now. So what I have done in this orchid is it's a piece of wood, and I have tied the plant with a piece of rope here. As you can see, this is a rope which I have tied the plant, and then it has grown in this piece of wood. The roots are here. It has got hold of the piece of wood here. The roots are here. It's growing very healthy roots. So this orchid also I'll be arranging in the washroom, this orchid plant. So these are the 3 plants which I'll be arranging in the washroom. So let's go ahead. So voila, this is how it looks now. I have kept 2 towels here. These are not new towels. This has been used towels. I have not bought anything new. It's, I can say, a 0 rupees makeover. So, and here I have kept the plants. As you can see, this is a snake plant which grows very well in the washroom. I mean, it needs 0 light. It grows very well in a humid area. It doesn't need much light. It grows very well in low light. And this is an orchid plant. It's a natural orchid. As you can see, I have just put it on a piece of wood, and it has grown very well. And orchids do very well in humid areas, and a washroom is a place where there is a lot of humidity. So it will grow well here. It doesn't need much light again. But then I have also kept an artificial orchid here. I've just kept it like that to give some color. And it's fine if you use artificial flowers in the washroom, because because we all know flowers don't bloom in washrooms. So if you need to add some color in the washroom, you can keep some artificial flowers and it's okay. I'm not a very expert in plants, but I have done some small researches and I've come to know that both this snake plant and orchid do well in washroom. So I have kept them here. Early also I have kept it. They really do well. And I have also kept these toiletries here. And I have kept another snake plant. It is the smaller variety. It is the dwarf variety. So this is also doing pretty well here. And I also have an aloe vera. This is also doing pretty well. Maybe sometimes I'll put it in the sun for some time and bring it back. But right now it's doing very well. Basically, why I have kept these plants here, you know, this aloe vera and this snake plant, they are very good air purifier, because washroom is a place where there are a lot of chemicals going around, whether it is our shampoo, whether it is our body wash, you know, there are chemicals, there is the floor cleaner. So these plants are very good air purifier, and so if kept in the washroom, it also purifies the air. And I've also kept this money plants here. It's a window here in the washroom. I get some fresh air through this. So I have kept this money plants which are doing very well again. They are climbing. I have kept 2 of them. This is also adding more color, and as we all know that money plants do very well in low light. And they are also a very good air purifier again. So all the plants which I have kept in the washrooms are basically air purifiers. And I have also kept a book here, as I have a habit of reading in the washroom. And this is Eric Siegel's love story. So I am reading this book right now. So this is how it looks. I hope it's helpful for you guys. This is a small makeover I have done. This washroom, as I have said, wasn't been in use for a long time. So I have decided to use. So what I'm trying to say is you can keep orchids. Yes, sometimes they do need light, and you can just shuffle your plants. Sometimes, you know, sometimes you keep this plant, or sometimes you can just change another plant. But these plants really grow well in the washroom. I mean, orchids, the snake plant, this aloe vera again. This is a good air purifier, as I said. This is a dwarf snake plant again. And also there's money plants. They do very well. And the best part of the money plant is that they don't need water. They don't need soil. They do very well in water as well. These are kept on water. I've kept some pebbles here, colored pebbles, as you can see. These are the colored pebbles. All you need to do is change the water once a week. Make it a point that every Sunday you just clean up the water so that there is no dirt, and your money plants will grow in the water for years and years to come. And we have a cubicle here, this bath cubicle. So I haven't done much anything here because I don't want to make it look clumsy. This is a bath cubicle. So this is a little makeover I have done to the washroom. I hope you guys like it. So next time I'll be doing more videos on lifestyle. Do let me know your more suggestions and comments so that I can make more such videos. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye bye.